In this video, you're going to see group number 2 of Jolly Phonics. The link at the end, you'll see group 1. If you haven't already watched that, you should watch it first. And I will also give you a link to the long Jolly Phonics for Beginners video. Please like, subscribe, share, hit that notifications button, help me out, all right? And hopefully we can spread my information, my videos, my content to the world and get everybody reading together. Sooner the better, right? Don't forget, I'm not doing the songs in this because I don't want to get into copyright trouble, and I'm not doing the full teaching procedure of the letter. That will be in another video later, which will be a short 3 or 4 minute video on how to do it. But the real information on that is in the long Jolly Phonics for Beginners video. Please enjoy, and I hope it's useful. Okay, sound number 1, group number 2, clicking the castanets. You can see the songs on YouTube, just like in my first video. I'm not doing the songs today, okay? So, the way that we write, it's 2 different ways. They have the same sound at this point. We're not doing soft and hard. Don't get confused. We're just doing, all right? And this one is around. Around. If my screen wobbles, it's because I'm using a touch screen. And down, kick out, kick out. Down, kick out, kick out. I like to call it the curly k and the kicking k. Okay? That's how I make the kids understand the difference, and they have the exact same sound at this point. Not later on, but at this point they do. Okay. The second sound in group number 1 is like you're breaking an egg. Eggs in a pan, I'm British English, we say And American English tend to have more of an, they sound similar to the A sound. A and are very similar in American English, but I'm not American. I do believe there is an American product for Jolly Phonics. If you wish to use the American accent, they're fine. They're all fine as long as you're studying phonics, in my opinion. The way that this one is drawn is around, under. Around, under. Starting point right here, okay? These little chants I use, I just make them up myself. Around and under, these kind of things, they're nothing special. Your next letter, next sound, should I say? Sound number 3, group number 2, ha, ha, ha. Now the Jolly Phonics company do this, ha, ha. I don't, because it's similar to the what sound later on. So I tend to put my hands on my knees and go, ha, ha, ha. I like to hop, 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 like this, okay? You can look up the songs on YouTube. The way that you draw ha, 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 is just the same as n, but you go high, high, high in the sky, down, up, and over. Down, up, and over. High, high, high in the sky. Don't forget your bass lines here and here. So it's very similar to n, but with a high, high, high in the sky as well. And the next sound is see my puppy rip the rag. Rrr, rrr. Don't confuse this with the tennis one. This is rrr. See my puppy rip the rag. Rrr. And the way that this one is written is down, up, little corner. Down, up, little corner. You get the kids to do it. Down, up, little corner. Don't forget I'm doing it mirrored for you now. So it looks right to you, but it's actually backwards to me. There is a longer video about how to do all this in my Jolly Phonics for Beginners video. There will be a link at the end of this video. And penultimate letter. You do it in your belly if you like, but I do it up here. The mum and the dad make many meals. Don't forget, in these quick videos, I am not going through the teaching procedure. That will be another video for you later. If you want the long procedure, go to my Jolly Phonics for Beginners class. This one's very straightforward. Down, up, and over, and up, and over. Down, up, and over, and up, and down, or anything like that. It's not that important how you do the chants. If your children do not speak great English, you can do it in the language of your native language. We call L1, language of 1. The kids here are Thai, so we go long kun, they go ka no long. That's how a Thai teacher would do it. We don't, obviously, because we speak English to the kids. And the very, very last one, group 2, sound number 6, group 2, 7 letters, but only 6 sounds, right? Because one sound, 2 letters. This is see me play on my drum, playing drums is lots of fun. Okay, and the way this one is written, this gets confused with but, right? A lot of kids get this the wrong way round. Don't worry about it. They just need to remember it's the same as but we're going up in the sky. Around, up in the sky, down. Is just around, up and down. But is around, up in the sky, down. Okay? And you stick backwards with it in mirror writing. Around, up in the sky, down. Okay? That's group number 2. There are 7 groups in total. This has been the first 2. At the end right now, you're about to see some links pop up, and it will let you know the next video you should be watching.